various indications and procedure for resetting of analog and digital axle counter in section provided with axle counters. Now, let us see the normal working of the stations where IB signals are provided. When both axle counter section and IB section is free, dispatch end station master shall obtain line clear for the train from advanced station master. Advanced station master grants line clear by operating the block instrument to line clear position of TCF dial. Dispatch end station master shall take off LSS on seeing the axle counter indication free and take off IB signal seeing the line clear position in TGT dial of block instrument and also starter. When train passes LSS in off position, station master gets K2 indication with buzzer. Station master shall acknowledge by placing LSS at on and buzzer stops. When train passes IB signal in off position, station master gets K3 indication with buzzer. Station master shall acknowledge by placing IB signal at on and buzzer stops. Rear station master will inform advanced station master about the train entering IB section on the phone. Advanced station master operates the block instrument to train on line position. TOL is exhibited in the TCF dial of receiving end station and TGT dial of dispatch end station. When train passes IB signal and 400 meters beyond the signal, the axle counter section on the panel is indicated as free. On seeing the free indication of axle counter on the panel, station master shall dispatch another train by taking off LSS after obtaining permission from the advanced station master. When IB distance signal or IB signal bulb fuses, station master will get K4 indication with buzzer. Station master acknowledges and inform SNT staff. When train passes IB signal in on position, the rear station master will get K1 indication with buzzer. Station master acknowledge and buzzer stops. Station master shall inform advanced station master of the fact. If IB section is occupied by another train, station master shall try to inform the loco pilot of the train either through gateman if available or through TPC in electrified section or issue of caution order through the train passing on the adjacent line. Both station master shall not dispatch any other train in axle counter section until the train which passed IB at on has arrived completely at the next station. On complete arrival at next station, station master shall exchange PNs and press the cooperation button PB3. Rear station master shall press the reset button PB1 after receiving the cooperation indication. the K1 indication will disappear and station master can now operate LSS and IB signals normally. Axle counters is an electrical device which, when provided at two given points on the track count, the axles passing in and out indicates whether the section of the track between those 2 points is clear or occupied. There are two types of axle counters: analog axle counter and digital axle counter. Now, let us see how to reset the analog axle counter in case of failure even after train passing the axle counter section. The axle counter indication in the panel of rear station master when showing occupied, following procedure shall be adopted to reset the axle counter. Dispatch station master informs the advanced station master about the fact. Advanced station master arranges to receive the train. Advanced station master shall ensure the complete arrival of the train and exchange PN with the rear station master. Press the cooperation button PB3. Rear station master shall press the reset button PB2 after receiving the cooperation indication. Now, station master will get the free indication of the axle counter and operate signals normally. Now, let us see how to reset the digital axle counter in case of failure even after train passing the axle counter section. The axle counter indication in the panel of rear station master when showing occupied, following procedure shall be adopted to reset the axle counter. Dispatch station master informs the advanced station master about the fact. Advanced station master arranges to receive the train. Advanced station master shall ensure the complete arrival of the train and exchange PN with the rear station master. Station master shall rotate the station master's key and press reset button in the digital axle counter box. When this is done, the rear station master will get a flashing preparatory indication on his axle counter box. Station master now will rotate station master's key and press reset button. The flashing indication will become steady and block instrument goes into preparatory mode. The display in the axle counter box also will show preparatory mode. In the preparatory mode, one train will be sent by issue of written authority PLCT and T369 3B. When this train reaches the next station, the axle counter displays free indication. Now, station master will get the free indication of the axle counter and operate signals normally. If it is still exhibited occupied indication, then the axle counter shall be treated defective.